Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be working with the Segment Addition Postulate. We are going to be using our segment addition to find the length of ij. So ij is right there. I like to highlight it so I remember which one I'm solving for. We're going to do this in two parts. Part one, we are going to solve for x. So when we use segment addition, we know that the whole segment, in this case hj, is equal to the sum of the two parts. So hi plus ij. So again, I like to write this out, and then I'm going to plug in what we know is equivalent for those. So hj we know is 14 equals our hi, which is 2x plus 6. We're going to add that to the other part, which is ij, so x plus 8. So we're solving for x first, and we're going to combine any like terms we have. So I can combine my 2x and x. So we have 14 equals 3x, and then I can also add the 6 and the 8 together. So we have 3x plus 14. We're going to solve for x. So I'm going to use inverse operations. I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. We end up with 0 equals 3x. At this point, we kind of know our answer is x, but we can keep practicing our inverse operations. We're going to divide by 3. 0 divided by 3 gets us still 0, and so 0 equals x. So that's part one of the problem. We need x in order to be able to find ij. So part two, we're going to plug x back into find ij. So one thing I like to do is we highlighted it at the beginning, that's a strategy. Another thing I like to do is just to rewrite what ij is equivalent to. So we know ij is equivalent to x plus 8. And then from part one, we also found that x equals 0. So we'll replace that x with 0. So ij equals 0 plus 8. Doesn't that still change our answers? So we get ij equals 8 units. And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.